great thing with the audio system in this BMW 520 is you can also stream audio through the via Bluetooth through the radio. So if you go into your iTunes, onto a record there, you see the red triangle with the 3 red circles. Just click on there, make sure there's a tick next to it. If it's showing there, there will be, but if you don't see it, click on the red triangle and just make sure the tick's there. So tick's on, back on there, it's playing now, it's on full blast. If we then go to media, Barry's iPhone 10, make sure that's switched on, and then so that's it playing through the audio system.